Good job.
Thank you, Annabelle. Thank you. Thank you, Annabelle.
He's like, here, you can. Clonk.
I'll have both.
Oh, Annabelle, can you give it back?
She's like, no, he's playing with that other toy.
Annabelle, give it back.
Give it to the baby. The baby needs it. He's a little baby.
Well, he's a baby. Oh, he's like, that's what you get.
Oh, goodness.
Agu Dagu, ready to go bye-bye? Okay. Yeah, Pop, I like seeing your little cool outfit.
Yeah, say thanks. Uh-oh.
Jacob!
It's okay, Bunkin. It's okay, Bunkin.